Where are you going, Brox? Uh-oh.
Brox died revealing.
Too late. Come on. Come on. Come on, quick. Quick.
Oh, he's so cute. He's a cutie. Oh, he's trying to get out. I wonder if they're gonna come over here. What is that? Yeah, right, they're going back and forth now. Look, looking for something.
That's a raccoon.
Yeah.
Oh, the turkey.
Oh no, you're grabbing it for me. That's my stick. That's my stick.
What is it?
That's my stick. Careful your hand, they're gonna bite you.
What's that?
Right here.
Ostrich.
Come back here. Wait for me.
He's a big rooster.
Go see the horse. Brox, here, look.
She was licking your finger earlier, wasn't she?
See?
Mom, can you take one for me to hold?
Would you like to have this one? Come on over. This is Nibbles.
I want to get it.
Sit down, sit down, and you can come back and look at that.
Be careful.
Yeah.
There you go.